Okay, now let's discuss the symptoms of menopause. There are some symptoms that women experience before the menopause happens, and this happens between 8 to 10 years before menopause actually happens. It is known as perimenopause. Menopause is when a woman stays for up to 12 months without seeing her period. So now the symptoms of perimenopause are irregular menstrual period, vaginal dryness, hot flashes, like when you start feeling heat, like you can call it internal heat. You feel heat inside your body, your body will be so hot. Even when the weather is cold, you'll be having all those kind of heat. It is known as hot flashes. Night sweat, insomnia, that is difficulty in sleeping. You'll be having mood swings and you'll be finding it difficult to remember things. So if you experience symptoms like your periods are skipping, like it comes this month, it doesn't come the next month, or it comes this month, it doesn't come in 2 months time and thereabouts, that could be a sign of menopause. Another sign is your periods get closer to each other. What that means is that your menstrual cycle will become shorter. Like you may find yourself seeing your period twice in 1 month, which is due to how short your menstrual cycle will be. Now, there are some health conditions that women experience when they have reached menopause, or there are some health conditions that women are prone to when they get to their menopausal stage. If you have watched this video to this point, please take out some few seconds of your time and click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell to get notified each time I make a new post. After menopause, your risk of certain health conditions increases. Number 1 is heart disease, or you can call it cardiovascular disease. Some women, when they get to their menopause age, they start being hypertensive. This is because your estrogen level has fallen. So all those hormones that controls your menstruation, your menstrual cycle, your periods and everything, they have dropped down. So when your estrogen level falls, it gives rise to cardiovascular disease, which is why it is advisable that if you get to your menopause age, you start watching what you eat so that you will not develop any kind of health condition. Number 2, weakened bones, that is called osteoporosis. These conditions makes bones to be brittle and weak, and this can increase the risk of broken bones. During the first few years after menopause, you may have a higher risk of broken ankles, broken wrists, and even a broken hip, because at that point your bones are very soft. But as you grow older, as you grow above the menopause age, it will start forming, it will start becoming stronger. This is not for every woman. Some women can experience this, while some will not. Number 3, loss of bladder control, which is known as urinary incontinence. As the tissues of your bladder and vagina changes, you may start having more urge to urinate than usual. As a matter of fact, you may not be able to even hold in your urine. It will happen in a case where once the urge of urine comes, you may find yourself urinating on yourself. Number 4, urinary tract infection. Some women that have experienced menopause are prone to urinary tract infection. Number 5, low sex drive. Menopause can give rise to sex problems, and anything that will be happening in there may cause bleeding while having sex, which will make you very uncomfortable and not even desire to have sex. And lastly, number 6, weight gain. Some women gain weight when they have clocked menopause. This is because the metabolism for calorie burning have slowed down. So at that point, you'll be prone to weight gain. Other symptoms are urinary urgency, dry skin, dry eyes, dry mouth, breast tenderness, headaches, and hair loss. Women that are undergoing postmenopause, because those women that have reached menopause, it is known as postmenopause. So women that are experiencing postmenopause symptoms needs a doctor's care and attention. It's not something you can stay in your house and handle all by yourself. Visit the hospital so that the symptoms can be relieved. If you have any question concerning this, please drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe.